previously on SNEs.
Was anything Lego related, even though I got a lot of sets lately and minifigures to add to the collection, was because, well, I've been on the road traveling around for conferences and trade shows. So during this time of year, it's very busy for our company. And
look what we got. Look what we got from Calgary. Just kidding. List. Hulk Arena Clash, finally. And I finally got the Mark 7 in mint condition. All the minifigures here. Let's get building.
Alright, so pulling out the instruction manual first, laying it down here, and we're going to be unloading the box. Everything is backed up nicely, so let's go. there you have it, the finished build with the Grandmaster on top. His chair can also basically fall backwards if you hit it. Same with Loki, you can topple him as well. So what you do is you have this fly piece, you just stick Thor in and you basically launch it and you can hit any of the targets up there. I won't do it because the piece is notoriously known for breaking off minifigures' feet. And you can see Hulk here with his armor set coming out of the door, just like in the movie. The figure actually fits through the door pretty nicely. You have that sliding door in the back. It's a very shallow build, and then there's some play features. You can, basically try to hit that and knock off some of the guards down here, and weapons basically from behind the wall you can pull through. And you have the Sicarian guard just kind of walking around and Thor in its glory here. So let's talk about the minifigures in this set, which are all very exclusive and in my opinion really detailed, including the armored Hulk. You can see the helmet as well as his torso are extremely detailed. The weapon of choice is very similar, if not almost exactly the same as the movie, so they did a great job there. Now we have Thor with his iconic comic book version of the helmet on his head, as well as the lightning bolt face, and if you turn it around, it's two-sided face. This face has been used quite a bit in other sets as well, but yeah, here's Thor. Next we have Loki with his helmet piece and the hair piece as well. If you notice, the original set comes with a shorter black hair. I kind of subbed it out with the longer hair piece. I ordered off Bricklink, which is similar to the one that's found in the What If series for Loki. But the reason why I used this was because, well, I felt in the movie Loki had longer hair. It seems like each movie his hair just gets longer and longer, so it just didn't make sense to have the original piece. And he also has his helmet. Now we have the Grandmaster as well as the Sicarian guard. Grandmaster is somewhat detailed in the torso, but the hairpiece is pretty generic, and you have a two-sided face again. So there's all the minifigures here. Thanks for watching the speed build again, and if you like what you see, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video where I'll show a bit of my own personal collection.